have in my hand an iBox car charging kit. It comes with an iPhone cable here, so it can be used right across the range of iPhones, iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So basically we have a USB cable here, and we have the little connection to go directly into the lightning connector here to go directly into your iPhone. So it's all branded and approved for use with Apple phones. So there's this one is interesting because it's a complete kit. You can see the retail pack on it, but what we have here as well is we have the actual iBox car charger as well, and has an output there of 5 volts, 2.1 amps on it. Okay, so overall we'll say this is a lovely little kit. It's nice, it's branded, it's complete, it's suitable right across the range of iPhones. We have lower cost cables inside the range. This kit here we like simply because they've gone through the hassle of getting it all certified for use with Apple, and the price point we have it on is very, very attractive. So that's it anyway, an overview of the iBox car charging kit for use with iPhones.